The next piece we're going to do, we always need to have like a central drop piece, but don't have it too high because then you don't see it. So we're going to have it on a wire and come low because later on we're having all the crystals, the icicles dangling. So what we're going to do is put a long wire, just a thin wire, and just wire that off. And depending how low you want it to go, not forgetting the crystals are going to be quite long too. So that's going to hang in the center. And you can feed that through. And depending on the height, because again, we can put a ribbon here to fill it. And then you just wire that off. This whole mess here, we're going to cover with a velvet and that, so don't worry. I also have some nice tassels, like as a feature here. Like on each, to make it thicker here. Again, we're just going to use the wire to and again, just wire it off. Again, don't have them too high because then, it's going to get hidden. So, dangle them down. Voila. So we have 5 of those. And see, the next part we're going to do is all the ribbons, and to finish this off and maybe make a few bows for the bottom. Then we're going to at last hang all the crystals. We're going to use really nice chandelier drops like this. So they're going to be all hanging outside. So that's in the next stage, we're going to do the finishing.